From the Mumbai studios of Republic TV, it's time for Arnab Goswami on The Debate.
Good evening, viewers. This afternoon, Pakistan claimed that India was planning a submarine attack against it. Our contacts of the Republic Media Network tell us that Karachi was in absolute panic after a frenzy of calls from Rawalpindi. Distraught and unable to react rationally in any way, Pakistan ended up releasing an official statement claiming that it had an actual picture of a very dangerous Indian submarine entering Pakistani waters, planning to bomb Karachi. Here's the picture. Sanju Verma, General Bakshi, Major Gaurav Arya, Captain D.K. Sharma, former spokesperson of the Indian Navy, Hamid Khan from the Pakistani side, Major Yasir Janjua from Islamabad, Adnan Kaisar, he's a foreign affairs and defense expert from Islamabad. Adnan Kaisar, let me absolutely tell you unequivocally that there is no intention of mine to call you on my program and humiliate you. So please don't think that way. I'm not trying to insult you. I'm not trying to humiliate you. I'm not trying to even trouble you. But you see, you must be a very troubled man, Adnan. You've, as a country, made an absolute disgrace of yourself. You've gone and told the whole world that you found an Indian submarine. You gave the latitude, you gave the longitude, you said it was blocked, and then it turns out that this submarine is anywhere between 200 to 250 kilometers away from your coastline. So that you don't say I'm putting words in your mouth, can you kindly tell all the viewers of the Republic Network this evening what is the definition of territorial waters, and is any object 200 kilometers away from your coastline by definition in your territorial waters or in international waters? Just make that clear to me. We'll get into the rhetoric later. Just make that clear to me. Make it clear to me, Adnan. Come on.
Thank you very much for inviting me at your program, and allow me a little time to explain to you. First of all, I know that your program sells on sensationalism, but since this is an academic discussion, allow me a little time that unfortunately I disagree and I highly object to the title of this program, which is Pakistan is Trembling. Pakistan is not. Pakistan is a sixth world military power with a nuclear overhang. It is not shaking. It is not trembling. India has been unable to deter us. So understand, you know, you say that you carried out a surgical strike
now,
in
1 second. You are answering everything except my question. What was my question? Adnan, let me tell you. I reciprocate, but with a clarification from my end. Since this program is known for its accuracy. You said the academic, no sir, very real. We're not talking in the air. We're not in a university campus talking. We are not having an academic discussion. The fact of the matter is, Adnan, I'm going to pin you down on this. Adnan, listen. Adnan Kaisar, please allow me to complete. Please allow me. You're on India's most watched network. Everyone's watching you. I respect you. I don't want to humiliate you, insult you, run you down. I don't do those things. Adnan, I'm just asking you tonight, one professional to another, I'm telling you one thing. As far as I know, if an object is within 12 nautical miles or 22.22 kilometers from the coastline, it is in your territorial waters. But if an object is 200 kilometers away from your coastline, it is in international waters. Now, this particular object, as per the latitude and longitude provided by you, was 200 kilometers from your coastline. So, even if it is an Indian submarine, how is it in your waters? Please explain to me, Adnan. Don't run away from this, Adnan. Please, back on the debate. Back on the debate. Adnan Kaisar is debating with Commander Captain D.K. Sharma. Adnan Kaisar, please answer my question.
Since 2015, understand, Arnav, since 2015, Pakistan's economic zone has extended. So this submarine had been in Pakistani water. But if Pakistan had been jittery, which you are saying, it would not have waited for 2 days to come out with this information. The
1 minute.
Submarine was sighted on Saturday, on 16th of
A minute,
October,
please.
Pakistan waited
A minute. So you are therefore acknowledging. Thank you, Adnan.
You carried out surgical
Adnan,
strike,
Adnan, I'll tell you one thing.
Balakot attack, it was fake.
Oh.
So understand, it is absolutely unjustified what you are saying.
Okay, now Adnan, you made your point out here. So you are admitting today on my program that the ISPR claim was false, that you had
not at
detected
all,
and
not
blocked
at
an
all. It
Indian
was in
submarine
Pakistan's
from entering into
economic
Pakistani waters.
zone, EEZ. You have to improve your understanding, Arnav.
I have by the way, Adnan,
maritime
I'll tell you one
rules.
thing. Adnan, I'll tell you one thing. I may be known for many things. I am certainly not known for unnecessary modesty. You say that I must increase my understanding. My understanding is fantastic. As far as I know, territorial waters are 12 nautical miles and 22.22. 22.22. I'll just tell you the 22.22 kilometers. Right?
You cannot
Seabed
do-
territory,
even if you-
EEZ,
if you-
EEZ is not your territorial waters.
If you
Seabed,
use
no,
my
it's
voice, it
not.
would not take away the
No,
facts.
sorry,
You have to understand the facts.
seabed
have to
territory or the
understand the fact
EEZ
that
is
the
not
submarine
territorial
was in
waters. 1 minute, we're getting a counter. Captain DK Sharma, now they are trying to pull back.
We waited
No, now
for
you're
2
trying to pull
days.
back. You're trying to pull back. I can see that, no problem. Yes, Captain. No. How did the Indian submarine end up going back? Just tell me about it. Tell Gaurav about it.
Arnav, yes.
Yeah.
If you research the program well before coming into the program, as Adnan Kassar was telling you, since 2015, Pakistan's exclusive economic zone has been extended to 350 kilometers, and that's where you cannot come into that exclusive economic zone without Pakistan's permission, leave alone a military submarine coming into the area. So that's where you are wrong. You should have researched this. That's why we have a problem that this submarine came into EEZ. Can you please go back and Google right now? It will not take less than a nanosecond for you to know.
No, so here's a point. Here's one point to you.